Understanding a hair's breadth, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a hair's breadth. This idiom is not only interesting but also quite useful in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. A hair's breadth is an idiom that means a very small distance or amount. It's often used to describe something that is incredibly close to happening but doesn't happen. The phrase originates from the idea that a single strand of hair is very thin, so a hair's breadth is a very small measurement. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The bullet missed him by a hair's breadth. This means the bullet came extremely close to hitting him but didn't. 2. She won the race by a hair's breadth. This implies that her victory was by a very narrow margin. Knowing synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. 1. By the skin of one's teeth. This also means narrowly or barely. 2. A whisker away, similar to a hair's breadth. It indicates being very close to something. This phrase can be used in various contexts, like sports, everyday life, or even in business. In sports, he missed the goal by a hair's breadth. In daily life, I avoided a traffic ticket by a hair's breadth. In business, our company escaped bankruptcy by a hair's breadth. When using this idiom, make sure not to confuse it with literal meanings related to hair. It's metaphorical and always refers to a narrow margin or small distance, not actual hair. I hope this video helps you understand and use a hair's breadth confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and enhances your fluency in English. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.